Hello, today we will guide you through how to remove all sources in NotebookLM. To begin, open the Chrome Web Store and type NotebookLM Tools into the search bar. This helps you find the extension you'll need before working inside NotebookLM. Make sure you select the correct result so you're installing the intended tool. If the page takes a moment to load, just give it a few seconds before moving on. Once you've found it, click Add to Chrome. Your browser may show a confirmation window asking you to approve the installation. Go ahead and complete that prompt so the extension can be added properly. This setup step is important because it gives you access to the controls used later in the process. After the installation is finished, scroll down until you find the Open NotebookLM button. This is the quickest way to jump directly into NotebookLM after installing the tool. When you see it, click to continue. If you don't spot it right away, scroll slowly and look near the extension details area. Next, choose the notebook you want to work with. Take a moment here to make sure you're opening the correct notebook, especially if you have several with similar names. Since the goal is to remove all sources, it's worth double-checking before you continue. When the notebook opens, look to the upper right area of your screen and click the Open button. This will bring you into the notebook view where your sources can be managed. Depending on your screen size, this button may appear slightly different, but it should still be in the top right section. From there, scroll down until you locate the Sources section. In this area, place a check mark on all of the sources. This step is what tells NotebookLM which items you want to remove. Be careful to select each source you want deleted and take a quick look through the list before moving on to confirm nothing was missed. Once all sources are checked, move to the right side of your screen and click the Delete button. This final action removes the selected sources from the notebook. After clicking Delete, it's a good idea to pause briefly and confirm the list updates as expected. And that's it. You've successfully removed all sources in NotebookLM. If you're cleaning up a notebook before adding new materials, this is a simple way to start fresh and stay organized.